Hi, I'm Lee Shaw. I'm the National Manager for Longfloor. I look after all things Longfloor for the main business, Longcliffe. So Longfloor is essentially a binder system that forms part of a liquid cement screed. It is made up of limestone and a blend of chemical agents. I started as the commercial and technical sales manager for the Midlands and the North. In January I was offered the position of the National Manager for Longfloor, and I look forward to taking it as far as we can in the future. There is no typical day. One day I can be out on the road with the guys, supporting them. I can be down delivering presentations and training to the stockists, and the next day I could be down in the lab. I certainly feel fully supported, feel valued. I feel like we're making a difference in what we're doing. If you are looking to get into the industry, I could highly recommend this role, or certainly working for Longfloor. It's a very diverse role. You're not going to do the same thing every day. Every day is a challenge, every day is different. Couldn't recommend it higher.